what's going on? Today we're going to Fort Lauderdale, Florida for our cruise tomorrow to Puerto Rico. I don't know if I've been to Fort Lauderdale, but we'll see. I'm excited for Puerto Rico though. Okay, we got to the airport. We are flying JetBlue today. My mom said we're going on a vacation today. First time flying JetBlue. I'm excited. It's here, looking like any other plane. We just got to the hotel. It is approximately 9 p.m. right now. We went to Green Bars earlier, which is a vegan restaurant. I had this coconut burger. It was like crispy and then it smelled like coconut. I don't know, it tasted pretty good. And if you add a little bit more sauce on that. So tomorrow we are going to the port around 11. Yeah, excited. Good morning. We're about to get breakfast and then we're gonna go to the port. I look like a caution cone right now. So basically the group that we're going to the cruise with, they're having us wear these shirts so we could take group pictures with them. Yeah, I look like a radioactive goldfish. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get some breakfast. Oh, what's up? We got Donald Duck up in this joint. Oh. I'm gonna just sneak by real quick. Hello, just got to the room. I got a velvet cupcake. I got a drink. It's not for me. Still can't drink yet. Almost there. Yeah, we got some. I don't know what I'm gonna do later, but I'm probably gonna explore around and see what's on the ship. See y'all later. Day 2 on this trip. It's about 7:30 right now. I'm gonna go and meet up with some friends that I met yesterday around 8. For the rest of the day, I'm just gonna be on the ship. Day 3, what's poppin', guys? Nobody says that anymore. Anyways, so today we have scavenger hunt and we are spending the day on the ship again. Tomorrow we are docking. Mama, 我们明天到哪里? Okay, we're docking somewhere. I don't know. But yeah, scavenger hunt. What are we doing today?
Scavenging.
Yeah. Today we've arrived at St. Kitts. It's the larger of the 2 Caribbean islands that make up the nation of St. Kitts and Nevis. And we got some fun facts for y'all. So, fun fact of the day, St. Kitts was actually home to one of the first Caribbean and French and British colony in the mid 1620s, I think. And it was a member of the British West Indies until gaining independence in 1983, I think. Anyways, so today we're probably gonna swim with dolphins. We got this nice t-shirt. We got this snorkeling mask. We're ready to go. Today we've arrived at San Juan, Puerto Rico. Fun fact, San Juan is the largest city in Puerto Rico and it's also the capital of Puerto Rico. And so today we're going to Old San Juan and New San Juan. Old San Juan is basically like there's vibrant houses and cobblestone streets, and New San Juan is like an absolute metropolis. Can't wait. There's Puerto Rico right there. Going there later. Go and get breakfast now. This year, Old San Juan is going to be 500 years old. Now, since Puerto Rico is a part of the United States, you're going to see a mixture of Latin and English culture. There's a mixture of culture from the Europeans, the Dinos, which are natives to Puerto Rico, and Western Africans. So we just arrived at Nassau, Bahamas, and it's our last stop before going back to Florida. So today's plan is just beach. Hey guys, we just arrived at Fort Lauderdale. Kind of don't want to leave. It'd be like that sometimes. But thanks everyone for keeping up with my journey. I think it's a journey. I don't know. See y'all next time.